this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the voice taping on your Samsung keyboard. So if you go to keyboard, in the bottom left you can see the voice option right here. So you can hold down on there, otherwise you might be able to hold down on the power button when you have the option to type. And then you should start typing and talking. So you can see it's on there, otherwise in the bottom left you can just click that, and when you start talking it should show up. So you got both those options set. You got to make sure it's enabled, so we got to go to settings, scrolling down to general management. Then there should be an option for Samsung keyboard. Look for voice. So there should be an option for voice input. Make sure it's selected Samsung voice input, or if you have the Google voice, both are decent, and make sure it's not selected to none. Then we have use side button for voice input. We can turn this on if we want to use that. Then hide offensive words. So if it's turned on right here, we should be able to open up the keyboard and then start using it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.